All animals need to sleep to stay healthy. But sleeping can be dangerous. Other animals may hunt sleeping animals. Wait, should I read this or not?
I'll go and then you can read again, okay? Animals have...
No. Shashi.
Okay.
Animals have many different ways of sleeping that help them stay safe. Some of these ways may surprise you. Almost all bats sleep upside down. They hang by their toes from a branch or from the ceiling of a cave. Up high, bats are safe from most other animals. If they are in danger, they just fly away. Little brown bats win the prize for sleeping the most. They sleep as much as 19 hours a day. These bats are only awake for a few hours. After the sun goes down, they may get up again for a little while before the sun rises. The rest of the time is for sleep. Sleep, sleep. Giraffes win the prize for sleeping the least. They lie down when they sleep. They rest their heads on their bodies or on the ground. Every few hours, they sleep for about 10 minutes. Giraffes are not safe if they sleep for long periods. A dolphin sleeps with just half its brain at a time. It must stay awake to breathe and to watch for danger. Dolphin mothers and babies can go without sleep for as long as 2 months to stay safe.
Wow.
Some ducks sleep with just half their brains, too. These ducks often sleep in a line. The ducks at both ends help keep the groups safe. They keep one eye open to watch for danger. The ducks in the middle sleep deeply with both eyes closed. Seals breathe air. Seals breathe air, but that doesn't stop some of them from sleeping underwater. They hold their breath and dive deep to sleep for up to 20 minutes at a time.
Very good. Yeah.
Sleeping deep underwater helps these seals stay safe from animals that hunt near them. That hunt near them near the surface.
Very good.
Some fish make their own sleeping bags. They make a big spit bubble and sleep inside it. The bubble keeps them in one place all night. It also keeps other animals from smelling them. If an animal bumps the bubble, the fish swims away. I wonder why that. Horses often sleep standing up. Their legs lock in place so they don't fall over. If a horse is laying down, it needs a long time to get up. A horse can run from danger more quickly if it's already standing. A flamingo can sleep well standing on one leg. The standing leg locks so it stands straight. The other leg tucks up close to the other leg. Flamingo up close to the flamingo's body. Its head rests on its back. A flamingo lives and sleeps near many other birds to stay safe. Some seabirds can sleep while they fly. These large birds spend most of their time of their lives over the ocean, but they are in danger on the water. But they are safe in the air. They glide for many hours without flapping their wings. Sometimes they sleep while they glide. The animals on this page are sleeping too. Would you like to sleep? sleep how they sleep. I would want to sleep like that guy. That guy looks cute.